Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Tonight the organized welcome back party for me, so you can hear everything happening right now in the background. So let's go right into it. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, subscribe and make sure your notification bell is on. Alors, bienvenue sur ma chaîne, j'espère que vous allez super bien. Moi je vais très bien. Dans cette vidéo, je partage l'accueil chaleureux que j'ai reçu quand je suis retournée au Togo, et c'est le son des tam-tams que j'ai beaucoup aimé. Et grand merci à Togolese pour cet accueil chaleureux. found this very, very interesting when it comes to the man on the sticks. I was wondering all throughout how he managed to have the balance and was still able to move around, quite quickly as well. So that was so interesting to watch. It's time to show you some of the beautiful work of one of the youngest Togolese designer, and those outfits were just so simple but very, very unique, and I really love it. I'm so glad that I was there to also have a glimpse of some of her works, and I truly love it. Truly had a great time, and her works were so beautiful. Big shout out to Elvis, the founder of Tomega Guest. I truly had an amazing time, and I'm looking forward for you to also experience that one day. Voilà, c'est la fin de la vidéo. Shout out à Elvis, le fondateur de Tomega Guest.
Hope you enjoy my welcome back party. I had a great time. I enjoyed the food, enjoyed everything. So if you had a good time watching the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.